All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin's been going crazy. But anyway, it's been going down now. But I want to talk a little bit about this because a lot of people were asking if I'm still trading crypto. I am, but just not as much. That the number one primary source is Forex, anyways. Crypto is always a great investment. I just want to talk about a little bit where it's headed now, my opinion, my analysis on this, and where I might end up seeing where it's going for the end of the year. So where it's headed right now, it did came up to 12,000, but currently looking at it right now, you can see it's coming back down 11,100. So it did hit 12,000. So I'm gonna show you guys the 4-hour chart. It's a massive bear candle from 12,001 all the way to 10,000, almost 10,500. That's pretty crazy. And I'm pretty sure some of you guys are probably gonna be like, well, is it gonna hit 20K this year? I don't know. Who knows what's gonna hit? I mean, from looking at, if you didn't buy Bitcoin earlier on, especially when they dropped it back down to, I think it was like 3,000. No, 4,000. Yeah, when they dropped it down here, that was a pretty good opportunity to buy. Now, I want to talk about the monthly because I'm pretty sure some of you guys are probably wondering where this price is headed. And looking at this right now, it is a bull candle, bullish engulfing candle over the monthly structure. Based on the bullish engulfing candle and the monthly structure, I would keep buying it. Since there is just so much fundamentals that are impacting on Bitcoin for this year, it could end up going right back down to 6,000, or even back down to the wick here at 4,000. So I wouldn't be surprised if they shoot it back down. And there's other coins out there that could possibly take over the price of Bitcoin. Just not right now, but eventually over time, right? I mean, just look at I think Chainlink went up a lot that one week. I mean, yeah, Chainlink. This is crazy just to see Chainlink hit. I remember seeing Coinbase when they brought it in like at $2, where it was $2 or $3, and it's up almost $9 in value. So it's crazy to see Chainlink going up. Ripple, if you guys probably wondering about Ripple, I really don't care for Ripple. Ripple has lost a lot of investing intention, so I don't really care for that. Litecoin, not a whole lot going on. Ethereum, I have a feeling that Ethereum's going to come back up here to retest 1,400, 1,300, but not right now. Bitcoin Cash to come back to retest 2,800. The wick was 4,000. So one of these coins will end up being close to Bitcoin. Some people are probably speculating that Bitcoin's going to hit 100K, in the next 5-10 years. But you got to look at how much price is driven, and if that's the case, then no one else is going to invest in other coins if Bitcoin is just going to be the major component, even though Bitcoin was the first coin that started it all. So there has to be some kind of equal opportunity in investing, especially when it comes into the crypto markets itself, because there's I want to say at least over 200, 300 coins now. And so it wouldn't make any sense if they just justify on buying and just investing just in one coin itself. Just to me personally, it wouldn't make sense, because then a lot of people would just buy Bitcoin and they would just hoard everything on Bitcoin. That's the biggest thing anyways, right? Stash all your money on the coin, on one coin, and gaining a lot of money. So I wouldn't be surprised at the end of the year if they do drop it back, because that's what I've been noticing. Almost every, like at the end of this year, they always drop it. Like last year, they dropped it back down. So let's look at the months. Let's look at November and December. So it was down here. And let's look at November and December here. November and December, all the way down here. So you can see that 2 years ago, right, came to a really low point after it hit really, really high. And then another, right? November to December of last year of 2019 came back down. And I wouldn't be surprised if they shoot it back down again. I wouldn't be surprised if they did shoot Bitcoin back down to 7,200 right here, and then maybe back down to 5,200. That's what I'm seeing based on the resistance that's being put on right now at 12,000 for Bitcoin. You can see there's a lot of resistance previously. There's a lot of resistance previously at 12,000 and 13,000. So, but you can see where the candles are closing at 11,600. And I wouldn't be surprised if they close this price at 11,600 again, just looking at the price right now and where resistance was created at 12,100. So very similar price structure from what happened last year and what's going to happen again this year. And now we got presidential election, and who knows what the crypto markets are going to do to react with that, and also how many investors are actually going to be buying at the end of this year versus selling. So like I said, during the holidays, people are trying to sell more things to get more gifts, right? Consumer spending. So just think about all the fundamentals are going to play out at the end of this year, besides, like I said, besides what's happened already with the pandemic. So, look at where the central banks are going to lean towards into digital currency, if crypto, if they plan on, like I said, some of them are already starting to look into their own coins anyways. Banks are already starting to look into starting their own coins. So big Fortune 500 companies might end up starting their own coin. So just look at where the mining is going to, and initial coins that are coming out too. So, but that's what I see for Bitcoin. I know it's not something too crazy. It's not like the most best topic to talk about. I know everybody's just talking about what is going to happen at the end of this year. Everybody's probably talking too much about stimulus package. I really don't care for the stimulus package. You guys have to really dive down and understand what the stimulus package is going to happen to the economy, and how it's going to have a negative impact on the economy versus having a positive impact. But like I said, that's where everybody's looking at right now. Everybody's too focused on pandemic and stimulus package. I really could care less. You got to focus on yourself, work on yourself, be a better person. And also the fact that you got to strive on your hustle and your grind. I don't care what it is, but like I said, if all you do is wait for government to help you out, it's not going to get there. Why would anyone want to wait for the government to help you out? You got to start feeding yourself. I'll be honest right now. Can't live a life like that. But the majority of the people here in the States do. So you can't live on welfare forever. I'll be honest right now. But that's it, guys. Stay positive, stay safe. And I wish you guys all the best for trading for this week. Peace.